How to pin post on Instagram. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin post so that they are featured at the top of your profile. So this is a great way to feature post on Instagram, maybe for sponsors or special events that you're doing that you really want to highlight and make sure that your followers can see. All right, so to get started with pinning a post on our Instagram profile, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then just simply go to your Instagram profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, find the post that you want to pin, and here's one right here. Select the post, and then we just need to select the three horizontal dots in the top right, and near the bottom you'll see pin to profile. Go ahead and select that. As you can see, it says post pinned to your profile. Now when I go back to my profile and refresh it, you can see that post has been pinned to the top left. Instagram gives you the ability to pin up to 3 posts. And if you want to remove a pinned post, all you need to do is select the post, select the 3 dots again, and then just simply select unpin from your profile. Now when I go back to my profile, you can see that that post is no longer pinned. All right, so that's how you pin or unpin posts on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.